glass.
Or OP
Holy
grinder.
fucking shit.
Ready? Watch this.
Oh my god. Can I take a screenshot?
All right, now I gotta log out, and they're all gonna go for you.
Oh my god.
They're all going for you guys now,
Holy
aren't they?
fucking. Oh my god.
I'm going for it. I'm going all suicide.
All
Oh my
right,
god, Resurrexia!
go down, Chess. I'll make him go for you. Hey, guys, it's a rave party. Dun-dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun.
Hit
Look at
one.
him.
Oh,
Oh!
dude,
Oh, you're fucked.
All right.
oh my god. Your base
Your
just...
shit's all gonna land on that ice too. It's not gonna go to the uppers.
He's gappling. Oh my god.
It's so laggy.
I'm getting perfect frame rate.
Okay, you might want to go to your F1. Guys, don't go to your iPhone. Resurrect, Albertville, my something.
Ooh.
It's
Ooh.
like a look at the war zone down below our base too. There's so many Endermen and fucking cave splitters everywhere.